असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
See the next one, removing water of crystallization. For this we need to take Bunsen burner and test tube. In this test tube take some copper sulfate crystals which are blue in color. The copper sulfate crystals appears like a blue in color. This is the test tube holder. This is the Bunsen burner. Now heat this copper sulfate crystals by using this Bunsen burner. Now first of all the color of the copper sulfate crystals are blue. When we are heated, here the color of the copper sulfate crystals is changed, and here once these crystals are heated we will observe water droplets on the sides of the test tube. Where did they came from? Here add 2 to 3 drops of water to this sample of copper sulfate crystals after heating. Right? What we will observe? Again the color of the copper sulfate crystals is restored. So in this activity we can see that the copper sulfate crystals seems to be dry, contains in the water of crystallization. So when these crystals are heated, once this copper sulfate crystals are heated, what will happen here? Here from these crystals the water is evaporated and these crystals turns into white. Okay, after heating these crystals will turn into white color. So when these crystals are moistened with water, again the blue color restored here. After heating the crystals will change into white color. When we are adding the water to the white color crystals, we will observe again blue color of the copper sulfate crystals. Yes? So we can say that water of crystallization is nothing but the fixed number of water molecules will be present in one molecular formula of the salt. Right? So 1 unit of the salt contains fixed number of water molecules. That's why here when we are heated the crystals is changed their color, and when we are adding some water again the color is restored. By heating the water is evaporated from these crystals, that's why the color is changed here. Yes? By adding of the water again the color is restored. So we can say that the water of crystallization means the fixed number of water molecules will be present in one formula unit of the salt. So here we are using copper sulfate crystals. What is the molecular formula of the copper sulfate crystals? Copper sulfate is a CuSO4. Then what is the formula of the hydrated copper sulfate crystals formula? That is CuSO4.5H2O. So it will contains 5 units of water. This copper sulfate crystals contains 5 formula units of water in these crystals. Right? So this is a water of crystallization.